Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Today's class is rank of a matrix. So we have already discussed about rank of a matrix by finding the determinant method. So next is row echelon form. So here we are finding the rank of a matrix in row echelon form. So, a matrix A equal to Aij is said to be in echelon form or row echelon form if the number of zeros preceding the first non-zero entry of a row increases row by row until only zero row remains. And if a matrix is in its echelon form, then the rank of the matrix is defined as the number of non-zero rows. So that is about the echelon form. So let us find the rank of a matrix in echelon form. That is, we have to find the number of non-zero rows in the row echelon form. So let us do a problem. Find the rank of the matrix A is equal to matrix 0, 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 7, 2, 8, 3 by reducing to row echelon form. So first of all, we have to reduce this matrix into row echelon form. So for that, we have to use the elementary row operations. So here we have to make this row 0 and this row 0 like that. So before that we have to make the first element 1. So for that let us interchange these two rows, that is R2 interchange with R1 implies then here we will get minus 1, 4, 7, 0, 2, 3, then 2, 8, 3. So here let us make the first element plus 1. So for that let us multiply the first row with negative 1. So R1 implies R1 into negative 1, that is 1 minus 4 minus 7 0 2 3 2 8 3. Now let us make the third row's first element is 0, that is R3 implies R3 minus 2 times R1. So our aim is to make the rows elements are completely 0. So for that let us make this element 0. So here we will get 1 minus 4 minus 7 0 2 3, then here it is 0 and R3 minus 2 times R1, that is 8 minus, so minus of minus, here we will get plus, then 4 into 2, that is 8. So 16 here, then 3 minus of minus plus 2 into 7, that is 14. So 17 here. Now next we can make this element 0 or this element 0. So let us make this element 0, that is R3 implies R3 minus 8 times R2. So here we will get 1 minus 4 minus 7, then 0, 2, 3, then 0, 0, then here we will get 17 minus 8 into 3, that is 24, that is minus 7. Now we cannot make this element 0. While making this element 0, here we will get non-zero entries. So this is the row echelon form of this matrix. So here how many rows are there with non-zero entries? So there are 3 rows with non-zero elements. So rank of matrix, that is denoted like this: delta of A is equal to number of non-zero rows, that is 3. So here rank of this matrix is equal to 3. Let us do another problem. By reducing to echelon form, find the rank of A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5. So here first element is 1. So let us make these two elements 0. That is R2 implies R2 minus 2 times R1 and R3 implies R3 minus R1. So here we will get this as 1, 2, 3, 2. Then here 0. Then R2 minus 2 times R1, that is 3 minus 2 into 2, that is 4, that is minus 1 here. Then 5 minus 2 times 3, that is 6. Here again minus 1. Then 1 minus 2 times 2, that is 4. So here we will get minus 3. Then next is R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, 0 here. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 2, it is 3 here. Now our next step is make these elements 0. So we can add these elements, that is here R3 implies R2 plus R3, that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3, then 0, here we will get 0, here 0, here also it is 0. Now here we cannot make these elements 0 because here there is 1 here. So this is the reduced echelon form, that is this is in the echelon form. So rank of A is equal to, so there are two non-zero rows. So here rank of A is equal to 2. Let us do another problem. By reducing to echelon form, find the rank of A is equal to matrix 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 4, 7, minus 2, 8, 3, 5, 6. So here let us make the first element 1. So for that R1 implies R1 divided by 2, that is 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, then 6, 4, 7, minus 2, 8, 3, 5, 6. Now let us make these elements 0. That is R2 implies R2 minus 6 times R1 and R3 implies R3 minus 8 times R1. So we will get 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Then here 0. Then 4 minus 6 into R1, 3 by 2. That is 9. 4 minus 9, that is minus 5 here. Then 7 minus 6 into R1, that is 5 by 2. So 3 times 5. So 15. 7 minus 15, that is minus 8. Then minus 2 minus 6 into 7 by 2, that is minus 2 minus 21, that is minus 23. Then next is here 0. Then 3 minus 8 times R1, 8 into 3 by 2, that is 4 here. 3 minus 12, so that is minus 9 here. Then next is 5 minus 8 into 5 by 2, that is 4 here. 5 minus 20, that is minus 15. Then next is 6 minus 8 into 7 by 2, that is 6 minus 28, that is minus 22. Now here we have to make either this element 0 or this element 0, but it is difficult to make these elements 0 here. So here this is in echelon form. So what is the number of non-zero rows? So non-zero rows here is 3. So the rank of this matrix is 3 here. So this method is very effective than finding the determinant of a matrix to find the rank of matrix. So here we can find the rank of matrix very easily. That is, by the row echelon form we can find the rank of matrix very easily than the determinant form method. So that is about the rank of a matrix by row echelon form. So let us do more problems related to this method in the next class. Thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share and subscribe my channel.